Yo fam, let's talk business. In 2025, AI isn't just a tool, it's an opportunity. So here are 5 AI business ideas you can start with zero investment. Idea 1, AI video clipping service. Use Opus.Pro or Pictory to turn long YouTube videos into short, viral clips for TikTok and Reels. Offer this as a service on Fiverr or Upwork. People pay $10 to $50 per video. Idea 2, AI-powered resume builder. Use Resume.io combined with ChatGPT to craft professional, tailored resumes and cover letters. Charge per client, easy money. Idea 3, voiceover freelancing with 11 Labs. AI-generated voiceovers sound hyper-realistic now. Sell audio ads, explainer video narrations, or even audiobook recordings using AI. Idea 4, product mockup design with Kittle.com or Canva AI. Design t-shirt, mug, and poster mockups for Etsy sellers. Takes 5 minutes per design. Idea 5, LinkedIn ghostwriting via Tapealio. Manage people's LinkedIn content, write AI-generated posts, and grow their profiles. People pay $300 to $500 per month for this. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments, and subscribe for more AI side hustles.